So in this video, I will be teaching you about dividing integers. When dividing integers, there are a few easy rules you'll need to follow to determine the sign of the sum. But first, you need to know how to divide integers. You always want to divide the number as if there's no sign. You need to divide the numbers by their absolute value. Now that you know this information, you are ready to find the sign of the quotient. As you can see in this diagram, a positive divided by a positive equals a positive, a negative divided by a negative equals a positive, and a negative divided by a positive, or a positive divided by a negative, equals a negative. If you are dividing two positive integers, the quotient will be a positive number. For example, positive 8 divided by positive 4 equals positive 2. This is because the dividend, positive 8, is being divided into multiple whole numbers. If you are dividing two negative integers, the quotient will be a positive number as well. For example, negative 8 divided by negative 4 equals positive 2. This is because the two negative signs cancel each other out to equal a positive number. So when dividing integers, if the dividend and divisor have the same sign, then the quotient will be positive. For example, same sign equals positive. But when the dividend and divisor have different signs, the quotient will be a negative number. So different signs equals negative. For example, negative 8 divided by 4 equals negative 2. This is because if you're dividing a negative number by a positive number, the quotient will be negative since the dividend is only getting broken into multiple groups of negative numbers. So to help you remember these techniques, you can use two different strategies. Number one is just general rules. This means that you remember what I already taught you and understand that the same sign equals a positive and that different signs equals a negative. Also, you can use a chart to help you understand. This chart will tell you exactly what the sign will be. A positive divided by a positive equals a positive. A negative divided by a positive equals a negative. A positive divided by a negative equals a negative. And a negative divided by a negative equals a positive. To help you further comprehend dividing integers, I am going to give you one more question. Let's take positive 3 divided by negative 3. Sorry, I mean positive 12 divided by negative 3. First, you need to find their absolute values, which is 12 for positive 12 and 3 for negative 3. Then you divide 12 by 3, which is 4. Now that you know the number, we need to find the sign. To find the sign, I'm going to use general rules, but feel free to use whichever technique you feel most comfortable with. I know that the numbers have different signs, which means that the quotient will be negative. In the end, the quotient will be negative 4. So now you understand dividing integers, but you're probably wondering when you would ever divide integers in real life. But there's actually very many times that you would divide integers in life, such as money. Let's say that you and 5 other friends are going on a weekend trip and you need to rent a car. Each day, the car costs $60. You will need to be able to divide $60 a day into 6 groups to know how much you will need to pay. So guys, I really hope this video helped you to understand how to divide integers. If this video helped you and you need a better understanding of another integer concept, please watch our other videos on the channel. See you in the next video.